Okay, if you're getting this issue with a external hard drive, when you plug your external hard drive into a Windows 7 laptop and you get this message, this is because of some security software that you've got that comes with the laptop. In this case, this is HP Security Manager. So all you need to do is follow these instructions, which are those. So you might want to pause the video at this point. Okay, I'm going to do it. So, control panel, system security, go down to HP security, client security. I'm going to open the HP client security. I'm now going to enter my password, so I'm not going to show you that. Okay, in it goes. And now you want to move over to device permissions up here. And then you want to click on change, just there. Click on yes. And just wait. All you need to do is now toggle from on to off, or you can set various granular options like unlimited once you change it once, or in my case I just don't care because it's a pain in the arse. It means to say that any device that hasn't been made using HP with the HP Access Manager running, it just won't work. So you're better off just disabling HP Access Manager so your life is simpler, or uninstall the entire HP client security application. That's your other option as well. So there we go. Now just to prove that that works, and as you saw previously it didn't work, same hard drive which didn't work, now it works, it's now readable.